A TNE file uses transport-neutral encapsulation format. Microsoft Exchange's method of packaging email data and attachments for delivery across different mail systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or extract data from these email files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic TNE corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. TNE files are transport-neutral encapsulation. Format files created by Microsoft Exchange and Outlook storing email message properties, rich text formatting and file attachments in a binary encapsulated format for transport-neutral message exchange between mail systems. TNEF files use a Microsoft proprietary binary format, encoding MAPI properties, rich text, formatting OLE objects and file attachments into a single stream. They are typically named winmail.dat and appear when Outlook sends messages to non-Microsoft email clients. For the TNE file type, Microsoft Outlook from Microsoft Corporation is a trusted and reliable source. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows may show simple previews, but full message structure requires a dedicated email program. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the TNE file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Outlook as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. If your TNE file is not opening yet, that is normal. If you reach this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, opening the file. Download and install the free Windmail Opener application, or use TNEF's Enough on macOS to open TNE or winmail.dat files. These tools decode the TNEF encapsulation and extract the original email content formatting and any embedded file attachments. Next, extracting attachments. Use the online tool winmail.dat.com to upload and decode TNE files directly in your web browser. The service extracts all embedded attachments and displays the original email content without requiring any software installation on your computer. Finally, preventing TNEF issues. If you frequently receive TNE or winmail.dat files, ask the sender to change their Outlook settings. In Outlook, navigate to File, then Options, then Mail and set Compose messages in to HTML or plain text instead of rich text format to prevent TNEF encoding. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.